Greetings and salutations, Greek students. I want to take some time now to look at some examples of the present middle passive. So we're building upon the things that we've learned, and we've added from the present active indicative, the present middle passive indicative. So let's get into it. Hoi poneroi hamartoloi hutoi ex erkantai eis ton prophetein, autoi dunantai sozesthai. So in this case, we have this first sentence, hoi poneroi hutoi ex erkantai eis ton prophetein. Notice where our verb is, ex erkantai. Now, we immediately notice this is a present middle passive, right? We have omai, a, etai, amatha, esthe, antai, and of course this is our antai ending, ex erkantai, except we want to double check and notice that ex erkomai in the lexical form is a deponent verb. Now remember, deponent verbs are middle passive in form but active in meaning. Ex erkomai is to go out. I go out. So in the third person plural, they go out. So what's the subject of the they that go out? Well, you have this string of nominative, plural, you have a definite article, you have an adjective, you have a noun, and you have a demonstrative pronoun. So hoi poneroi, the evil, hamartoloi, sinners, noun, hutoi. So these evil sinners go out to ton prophetein, the prophet. And you'll remember that ace means to or toward, to ton prophetein followed by the accusative, to the prophet. Autoi dunatai sozesthai. Notice this is a question. So we have to get, for the second part, a question. Dunatai, able. And like thelo, dunatai from dunamai, I am able, is like ex erkantai, is deponent, I am able. Are these able sozesthai to be saved? Are these autoi, demonstrative pronoun, these near demonstrative pronoun, and it's referring to these what? Are these able to be saved? And so notice esthai is the present middle passive infinitive, to be saved, not sozein, to save. Let's look at another example. Number 7. He adelphe hemon thele genoskein tein aletheon peri tu viu autes, humes de uk apakrenesthe aute. So we have a comma. We're going to split this up. He adelphe hemon thele genoskein. So we have our verb thelo, and we can't forget these present active indicatives. We have o, ace, a, amen, edi, usi in the present active indicative. We also have omai, a, etai, amatha, esthe, antai in the present middle passive indicative. So thele is that present active indicative, he, she, it wants. And what's the subject of he, she, it wanting? He adelphe, the sister, hemon, of us, of ours, or our sister, wants, genoskein, present active infinitive, wants to know, tein aletheon, the truth, This is our accusative. Peri tu viu autes, about, preposition, peri, tu viu autes, peri followed by the genitive, the son, autes, of her, about her son. Postpositive preposition, but, humeis, you, nominative, plural, second person pronoun, but you, uk apokrineste, aute, but you do not answer to her. Okay, apokrineste. This is from apokrinomai, which is middle passive in form, but active in meaning. We call that deponent. It's apokrinomai, second person plural, but y'all, you in the plural, do not answer. Why to her? Because notice aute is in the dative, right? We have this iota subscript, which is our alarm bell ringing iota subscript is telling us we're looking at a dative pronoun. So we have to be on lookout. It's crucial as the sentences become more complex and we add new verb forms. In this case, we move from the present active indicative to the present middle passive indicative, that we're paying really close attention to case, number, gender of nouns, of adjectives, of pronouns, and it will help us understand what we're looking for when we come across these sentences. We cannot just translate left to right. We have to be looking, okay, where's my verb? Where's my subject? Where's my direct object? And the only way we're going to be able to tell that in these Greek sentences is if we're paying careful attention to case, number, gender. And then as we're looking at verbs, thinking about, okay, what's my tense? So far, all I have is the present tense. What's my voice? Present or middle passive? Right? So it's going to become more complex as we add more different kinds of verbs. But for now, I want us to be ready and raring to go with the present active indicative as we begin into the present middle passive indicative.